Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Smackdown! Today we have Pichu from the Pokemon series, Terry from the Fatal Fury series, Banjo and Kazooie from the Banjo-Kazooie series, and Duck Hunt from the Duck Hunt series. Today's stage is on Wii Fit Wii Fit Studio from the Wii Fit series. And the fight has begun over in the Wii Fit Studio from Wii Fit. The fighters are going hard. And boy, what a fight this is. Is 2 DLCs against 2 originals.
Duck Hunt and Pichu are from the game itself, and we have the 2 DLCs, Banjo, Kazooie, and Terry.
Indeed. Banjo and Kazooie were actually the third DLCs when Terry was to be the 4th. Because technically speaking, Piranha Plant was actually the solo DLC character, or when this game got the DLC put in. So technically the first character of the first pack was Joker from the Persona series. The second character was Hero from Dragon Quest, with Banjo and Kazooie being 3rd, and Terry following after. Then came Byleth from Fire Emblem 3 Houses. Oh! Now we have Duck Hunt's Final Smash on the scene. Where, of course, were those spinning gun peeps. Ooh. And there was the Triple Wolf by Terry. Uh-oh, here comes full tackle of Pichu. And that just smacked Duck Hunt, but it technically also hurt Pichu as well. Oh, the mighty Jinjonator has awakened on Terry. Boom! What a punch. Well, there goes Pichu. Now all fighters are tied.
My boyfriend King Draco told me Pichu can accidentally hurt himself.
If any of you are Pokemon fans, of course, remember, Pichu can't use electric attacks without shocking themselves. And that's the truth.
He may look cute, but he's really dangerous to use.
Because always watch out with the electric attacks, otherwise Pichu will get his damage built up real high.
You saw what happened during his Final Smash.
Indeed.
We have Duck Hunt's Final Smash now.
On Pichu this time.
No,
Ooh,
it's...
Terry's got the Final Smash. He's just waiting to use it. And he's got it on Duck Hunt. And Duck Hunt's
He
down.
does it with a punch and boom. That's so cool. He's just got the spun.
Oh, there goes Pichu. But Terry's still holding. And he's bumped. Oh! Did you see that, folks? Pichu just actually killed himself using his Final Smash. Now that's a big oops, right?
And Duck Hunt's also gone too.
Yeah. Now it's up to Terry Bogard from Fatal Fury or Banjo and Kazooie to win this one. Who will win? Nobody knows.
Do it.
Oh, Banjo and Kazooie had the Final Smash.
Maybe they'll use it.
And they did.
The mighty Jinjonator.
And wham!
And Terry's gone.
No, he's not.
Well, not yet.
Because now Banjo and Kazooie might disappear since they have 1 life and high damage.
Uh-oh.
Nope, they dodged that one this time.
Is that guy a strong guy, Queen Draco?
Who is?
Terry.
Well, he's from the Fatal Fury series. So where he comes from, he's definitely strong. And of course, there you have it. Sorry about that, folks. My screen went a little fade out. But for this SmackDown, Terry Bogard from Fatal Series wins, with Duck Hunt in 4th, Pichu in 3rd, and Banjo and Kazooie in 2nd. We hope you enjoyed this SmackDown, folks. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Have a miracle awesome day. Bye.